listen. Practice, speak. Practice makes you perfect.
Share a favorite childhood holiday memory. Share a favorite childhood holiday memory. What's your favorite type of dinner roll? What's your favorite type of dinner roll? How do you stay positive during tough times? How do you stay positive during tough times? What's your favorite type of energy drink? What's your favorite type of energy drink? Have you ever tried a new type of cuisine? Have you ever tried a new type of cuisine? Share a memorable family holiday. Share a memorable family holiday. What's your favorite type of smoothie? What's your favorite type of smoothie? How do you stay positive at work? How do you stay positive at work? What's your favorite type of fruit juice? What's your favorite type of fruit juice? Have you ever tried a new form of exercise? Have you ever tried a new form of exercise? Share a memorable school field trip. Share a memorable school field trip. What's your favorite type of pizza topping? What's your favorite type of pizza topping? How do you stay positive in difficult situations? How do you stay positive in difficult situations? What's your favorite type of salad dressing? What's your favorite type of salad dressing? Have you ever tried a new type of salad? Have you ever tried a new type of salad? Share a favorite childhood dessert. Share a favorite childhood dessert. What's your favorite type of energy bar? What's your favorite type of energy bar? How do you stay positive during challenges? How do you stay positive during challenges? What's your favorite type of hot chocolate? What's your favorite type of hot chocolate? Have you ever tried a new type of tea? Have you ever tried a new type of tea? Share a memorable family celebration. Share a memorable family celebration. What's your favorite type of dessert sauce? What's your favorite type of dessert sauce? How do you stay positive in tough times? How do you stay positive in tough times? What's your favorite type of pasta sauce? What's your favorite type of pasta sauce? Have you ever tried a new type of coffee? Have you ever tried a new type of coffee? Share a memorable school play. Share a memorable school play. What's your favorite type of protein bar? What's your favorite type of protein bar? How do you stay positive during setbacks? How do you stay positive during setbacks? What's your favorite type of workout music? What's your favorite type of workout music? Have you ever tried a new type of soup? Have you ever tried a new type of soup? Share a favorite childhood family tradition. Share a favorite childhood family tradition. What's your favorite type of breakfast sandwich? What's your favorite type of breakfast sandwich? How do you stay positive during adversity? How do you stay positive during adversity? What's your favorite type of tea blend? What's your favorite type of tea blend? Have you ever tried a new type of bread? Have you ever tried a new type of bread? Share a memorable family reunion. Share a memorable family reunion. What's your favorite type of dessert pie? What's your favorite type of dessert pie? How do you stay positive during challenges? How do you stay positive during challenges? What's your favorite type of chocolate bar? What's your favorite type of chocolate bar? Have you ever tried a new type of fruit? Have you ever tried a new type of fruit? Share a memorable school dance. Share a memorable school dance. What's your favorite type of protein shake? What's your favorite type of protein shake? How do you stay positive during difficulties? How do you stay positive during difficulties? What's your favorite type of dessert cake? What's your favorite type of dessert cake? Have you ever tried a new type of candy? Have you ever tried a new type of candy? How's the weather today? How's the weather today? Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Do you enjoy hiking in nature? Do you enjoy hiking in nature? How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress? What's your go-to comfort food? What's your go-to comfort food? Are you a morning or night person? Are you a morning or night person? Share a childhood memory. Share a childhood memory. Do you believe in ghosts? Do you believe in ghosts? What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine? Are you a sports fan? Are you a sports fan? What's your dream travel destination? What's your dream travel destination? Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening? How do you celebrate birthdays? How do you celebrate birthdays? Are you an introvert or extrovert? Are you an introvert or extrovert? What's the last movie you watched? What's the last movie you watched? Do you prefer beach or mountains? Do you prefer beach or mountains? Have you ever been in a talent show? Have you ever been in a talent show? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? Do you have a favorite quote? Do you have a favorite quote? How do you stay motivated? How do you stay motivated? What's your favorite board game? What's your favorite board game? Have you ever tried meditation? Have you ever tried meditation? Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking? Share a goal you have for this year. Share a goal you have for this year. How's your day going? How's your day going? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad? Describe your ideal weekend. Describe your ideal weekend. Are you a morning person? Are you a morning person? What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking? Have you ever attended a live concert? Have you ever attended a live concert? How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress? What's your dream job? What's your dream job? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? What's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre? Share a memorable childhood experience. Share a memorable childhood experience. Are you a fan of outdoor activities? Are you a fan of outdoor activities? What's your go-to comfort food? What's your go-to comfort food? Have you ever met a celebrity? Have you ever met a celebrity? How do you stay fit? How do you stay fit? What's the last book you read? What's the last book you read? Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening? Share a goal you've recently achieved. Share a goal you've recently achieved. What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? Are you a fan of spicy food? Are you a fan of spicy food? Have you ever been on a road trip? Have you ever been on a road trip? What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine? How do you stay organized? How do you stay organized? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Share a favorite childhood game. Share a favorite childhood game. What's your dream vacation destination? What's your dream vacation destination? Have you ever learned a musical instrument? Have you ever learned a musical instrument? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? How do you express creativity? How do you express creativity? Are you an early riser or a night owl? Are you an early riser or a night owl? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Share a funny childhood story. Share a funny childhood story. Do you enjoy watching sports? Do you enjoy watching sports? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? Have you ever tried a new cuisine? Have you ever tried a new cuisine? How do you unwind after a busy day? How do you unwind after a busy day? What's your favorite childhood TV show? What's your favorite childhood TV show? Do you have any phobias? Do you have any phobias? Are you a fan of art? Are you a fan of art? What's your preferred mode of transportation? What's your preferred mode of transportation? Have you ever been to a comedy show? Have you ever been to a comedy show? Share a favorite family tradition. Share a favorite family tradition. Do you enjoy camping? Do you enjoy camping? What's your favorite childhood toy? What's your favorite childhood toy? How do you stay positive? How do you stay positive? What's your favorite type of dessert? What's your favorite type of dessert? Have you ever attended a music festival? Have you ever attended a music festival? Do you enjoy dancing? Do you enjoy dancing? What's your favorite childhood memory? What's your favorite childhood memory? Have you ever traveled solo? Have you ever traveled solo? How do you handle challenges? How do you handle challenges? What's your favorite type of sandwich? What's your favorite type of sandwich? Share a memorable travel experience. Share a memorable travel experience. Do you have any favorite quotes? Do you have any favorite quotes? What's your favorite outdoor activity? What's your favorite outdoor activity? Have you ever tried a new sport? Have you ever tried a new sport? What's your favorite book genre? What's your favorite book genre? How do you stay focused? How do you stay focused? What's your favorite type of bread? What's your favorite type of bread? Share a memorable family vacation. Share a memorable family vacation. What's your favorite type of seafood? What's your favorite type of seafood? Do you enjoy attending concerts? Do you enjoy attending concerts? How do you handle success? How do you handle success? What's your favorite type of soup? What's your favorite type of soup? Have you ever been to a zoo? Have you ever been to a zoo? What's your favorite childhood book? What's your favorite childhood book? Do you enjoy going to the beach? Do you enjoy going to the beach? How do you stay positive in tough times? How do you stay positive in tough times? What's your favorite type of pizza? What's your favorite type of pizza? Have you ever tried a new recipe? Have you ever tried a new recipe? Share a favorite family tradition. Share a favorite family tradition. What's your favorite type of salad? What's your favorite type of salad? Do you enjoy attending parties? Do you enjoy attending parties? How do you stay organized at work? How do you stay organized at work? What's your favorite type of fruit? What's your favorite type of fruit? Have you ever been to a concert abroad? Have you ever been to a concert abroad? Share a favorite childhood game. Share a favorite childhood game. What's your favorite type of ice cream? What's your favorite type of ice cream? How do you handle setbacks? How do you handle setbacks? What's your favorite type of pasta? What's your favorite type of pasta? Have you ever tried a new workout? Have you ever tried a new workout? Share a memorable school field trip. Share a memorable school field trip. What's your favorite type of pie? What's your favorite type of pie? Do you enjoy attending theater plays? Do you enjoy attending theater plays? How do you handle unexpected challenges? How do you handle unexpected challenges? What's your favorite type of sandwich filling? What's your favorite type of sandwich filling? Have you ever been to a cooking class? Have you ever been to a cooking class? Share a favorite childhood memory with friends. Share a favorite childhood memory with friends. What's your favorite type of chocolate dessert? What's your favorite type of chocolate dessert? Do you enjoy going to amusement parks? Do you enjoy going to amusement parks? How do you stay positive in difficult times? How do you stay positive in difficult times? What's your favorite type of breakfast food? What's your favorite type of breakfast food? Have you ever participated in a talent show? Have you ever participated in a talent show? Share a favorite childhood memory with family. Share a favorite childhood memory with family. What's your favorite type of salad dressing? What's your favorite type of salad dressing? Do you enjoy attending book clubs? Do you enjoy attending book clubs? How do you handle time management? How do you handle time management? What's your favorite type of sushi roll? What's your favorite type of sushi roll?